So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Kali inaccessible in VirtualBox. Now there's one quick reason for that might the file have been corrupted or it has been deleted by mistakenly. So just simply get that file downloaded from internet. You can easily search for Kali Linux, and once you have downloaded and extracted the file, just simply hit on this option of search over there. Or what other thing that you can do, just simply quickly remove this one from here as well. Now once you do it, hit on this option of open and browse it to the file where you have saved the Kali. For example, in my case it's right there. Now select the Kali virtual machines from here, let's say this one, and hit on this option of open. Now here you can see the Kali virtual machine have been installed again on my system, and I can quickly start it from here only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.